This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing hardware and software. Update your headset firmware, then install the hand tracking runtime and the Gorilla Tag mod. Once done, enable developer mode and sideload the APKs or install the official hand tracking build. This gets the system ready. Make sure your play area is clear and lighting is steady so sensors see your hands. Confirm controller emulation is off and reboot the headset so drivers and permissions apply. This prevents conflicts before you launch the game. You now configure tracking and fine-tune controls. Calibrate hand tracking in the headset settings and follow each prompt carefully so finger poses map correctly. In Gorilla Tag, choose the hand tracking input mode, then lower or raise sensitivity to match your movement speed. Once configured, set your play space bounds and recenter height. This aligns virtual reach with real reach. If fingers feel floaty, reduce smoothing. If jittery, increase stability. These steps lock tracking precision before you start playing. You finish by testing and learning to play. Run a short session and practice core motions, punch, grab, and climb, so you feel how gestures translate. If hands drift, recalibrate the system, toggle smoothing, or reboot the headset. These quick steps usually resolve common issues. When problems persist, check that firmware, mod, and hand tracking runtime versions match. Mismatches cause instability. Finally, make one change at a time and document it so you can revert if a setting makes tracking worse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.